Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to purchase a NordVPN plan. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so for this demonstration I'm going to be heading over to nordvpn.com on my laptop here. And now once you're here, you'll be brought to this page here. This is the official website of NordVPN. And now from here, what you want to do is go ahead and click on Get NordVPN, so either one of these buttons, and then you'll be brought to 3 different plan options you can choose from. So this is all in AU, so this might vary depending what region you are from. I will have the latest and best deals below in the description below, so if you want to check out those deals, 70 to 80% off plans. Alright, in saying that, we can have a look at the different plans here. So we got the 2-year plans, 1-year plans, and 1-month plans. So just choose which one you want to use. And then after that, you can have a look at their features as well. So all 3 plans have a 30-day money back guarantee, which is great for peace of mind. So if you don't like it, you can always get your money back within the 30 days. They all got secure high-speed VPNs. And then with your Complete and Plus, they have a bit more options that you can get as well. So obviously with the Complete, you're going to get some extra features compared to the Plus and so on. So once you've chosen which plan you want to go with, so for demonstration, if I want to get Plus, I'm going to click on Get Plus. And now from here, what we need to do is enter an email address for your Nord account. So if you've got this option, add it in here. And now from here, you can add an extra service, which is optional for a small fee per month. And then from here, you need to select a payment method. So we can use either credit or debit card, Google Pay, PayPal, direct debit, or cryptocurrencies. So if you want to use credit card, click into that, put in your first name, last name, card number, expiration date, the CVV, CVC number, and postal code, which is optional. Then from here, click on continue. And on the right hand side, you can see the savings that right here. So at the moment, it's currently saved 60%. And if you got a coupon code, you can add that here as well. Click on apply. And then, yeah, this is your order summary. So once you like the look of that, go ahead and click on continue. And then that will take you to the next page to say that you've successfully created your NordVPN account.